That's right, I make cooking videos now. Can you keep up? We're gonna make meatballs.
Hungry? Meatballs.
I'm gonna share my secret recipe. We got the mince.
Köttfärs!
We got the breadcrumbs.
Mjölk! Matlagningsgrädde!
We got the cream. We got the butter.
Soja!
We got the stock potting. We got the onion, potatoes, and the...
Ketchup! Majonnäs! Nej! Pre-dinner snack! Olivolja! Ströbröd! Kryddor av olika slag!
Oh, actually, you need this as well. The soy.
Lök! Och potatis!
Let's go. Okay, let's see if I remember how to cook this.
Skala potatisen med din kropp. Lägg potatisarna i pannan. Tillsätt vatten. Done! 11 is not present. 6 will do.
What do you have going on over here?
I forgot to tell you, I gotta boil up potatoes. If you don't know how to boil potatoes, I don't know what to tell you, man. You're done. Where's the cutting? Where do you keep all your stuff, woman? Do we have a real cutting knife?
Yeah.
Where?
I got 3. 1, 2, and...
This is not a cutting knife, Marcia. If you're gonna keep the onion in, it adds that flavor. But you don't want the meatballs to have like the onions in it, okay? You want to chop it so small that you're literally just adding the flavor of the onion. You know what I'm saying?
Dags att hacka! Allt!
Let's just do half an onion. I don't like onion that much. What are you laughing at, huh?
You're really long side.
Yeah, onion makes me sigh, okay? It doesn't make me cry, it makes me sigh.
Vissa klagar att de börjar gråta när de hackar räkning.
Yeah, this works. This is how they do it in every good cooking show. Real men don't cry when they cut the onion. Not a tear. Zoom in my face, Marcia. Not a single tear. Why am I doing this? Took a little time, but you know, it's worth it, okay? It's worth it. And we're gonna mix that with the mince. We're using vegetable, vegetarian. It's good. It's much better. I'll show you why it's better in a second.
Preparing the meat! Tillsätt ströbröd! Och mjölk!
This works the same way with regular mince. Basically, you get the cream. Oh my god, it's so slippy. You get the cream. There we go. And you get the breadcrumbs, right? Add a little bit of cream and add the breadcrumbs. Then you get your hands dirty. Ah, feels good. Very nice. You like this, Marcia?
That sound.
You like this? And to get the meatball, should I just make one big one?
No.
Here's the reason why. You can eat the ball raw if you do with veggie meat.
Tasting if it's good. Approve. Add beer if you want to. We won't. This is regular.
It doesn't taste that good yet. I feel like it's missing something. We add a little bit of pepper and salt. It's starting to taste nice now.
Add the spices.
I'm gonna really roll these, huh? Look at that. Beautiful.
Ready?
Swedish meatball. Not Swedish at all, but you know.
Have your retarded team friends help you roll the balls.
We roll the balls.
Now it's time for some pre-dinner mayonnaise. Good for you.
We're just waiting for the potatoes to boil. The balls doesn't hold the heat very long, so you want to time it so that when the potatoes are done, that's sort of when you start cooking the balls.
Ah, boiling, yes.
Okay, now we're gonna cook the meatballs in some very nice butter. Put it at sort of low heat. You don't want to burn the edges. Keep them moving. Very nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. It's getting there. They look great. I'm very happy with them. Brown, crispy looking thing means they're ready. Take them out and just put that in there.
Brown sauce. Saucy and brown. It's good for you.
Then you're gonna add some soy. Get that brown color. Oh, so good. Taters are done. While we let that one, get that really fullness, we'll prepare the last. Ow. I did it 100% correct, thank you. There we go. Did not burn my hand at all.
Mashed potato.
How many meatballs do you want, Marzia?
6.
6 meatballs. Do you want the sauce on yours? Oh wow, it got really thick. Look at that beautiful thickness. Look at that thickness, Marzia. Oh my god! We're gonna add some råröda lingon. Very nice. It will contrast, the sweetness will be very nice to contrast all the fat and salt. And there you go! Look at that beautiful uniform. It's damn good meatballs, man. Oh, perfect. That's perfect.
Can I eat mine now?
Yes, so good. How do you like it? It's good? Very nice. I'm very pleased. Great meatballs, great life.
Nästa gång behöver vi en ny assistent.